Take a ride in the 2014 Cherokee. The Jeep Cherokee offers superior off-road capability. This makes the Cherokee a fine choice for families who venture off-road or vacation in the mountains or other remote areas. This vehicle has less than 85,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: aluminum wheels, traction control, daytime running lights, remote keyless entry, fog lights, mirror memory, mirrors power, passenger, cruise control, trip computer, child safety locks. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.